you're. You. What up? What up? What up, man? How you doing? Currently watching this. There's a pre-market position right now. Right, just like this. You right. What do you think today, Uma? I mean, this is really the only thing I can see at the moment, but I'm being a bit mindful about how far we've expanded already. Yeah, that's my only issue as of now. We do have some second stage SMT at the highs here. Alright, so we've actually got this as well. So this becomes our order block. Alright. So it's kind of like, this is literally the only thing I can see at the moment. It's a pre-market 5 minute as well. So we have to see. The only thing I just don't like is how far the price has already expanded already. It's really thrown me off because obviously if we're gonna look at this, right? If we're gonna look at this in terms of a daily candle, right? If we opened high and then obviously gonna do a low close, right? We're already what since the open, like 500 points or something silly. So I just find it very difficult, and I can't long either. Can't long because I think we don't have really the framework yet to long unless 10 a.m. Unless 10 a.m. then I can maybe change. But it's the same kind of logic on everything, even on gold. Like gold is very similar to AQ. CL is just gone. Yeah, CL I would have had to trade like Asia, which obviously I don't, and Euro I want lower. Same thing again though. Open, high, low. So that I want lower on Euro, but yeah, fuck knows. But like Euro is really the only thing I can sort of see here recently. How many models do you trade? I trade one. I just have loads of different concepts I can alternate between. Recently though, ICT hasn't been working as well. Like when I say as well, you just get loads of break evens. That's really it. Or you get loads of break evens, or price just runs to its draw without you. So I've started adding in like a lot more filters now, because if price just wants to fuck around, then so be it. But like oil's the only thing I could really have a look at. If we come into that 4 hour gap, not oil, sorry, euro. we retrace into that 4 hour gap, maybe we can see something. But in all honesty, like, I think it's like, I'm not expecting an awful lot. Price just keeps expanding too far. But we've got equilibrium of the range here, so we'll have to see. Yeah, for real. Honestly, ever since, like, I think, like, March I finished it just about. But, like, what's up here? It's been so difficult just to navigate price. Because, and all the moves would happen in London. I was literally watching for a London short today. It literally played. I had to go to the gym and it played out. I literally wanted a short. It was up here. It was in this candle here, and it obviously fucking played. What are you looking for today? I'm leaning a bit more bearish, but I don't know. It's not very clear for me. We've expanded very far. Like, if you just even look at where we opened, look how many points we've expanded from that. It's the only thing I'm not keyed on. But yeah, I mean, as we expected though, the whole war and everything like that has really fucked it all up. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I just don't think that there's, like, it's very difficult because when price is doing this, you start to, look at other things. Like, trust me, I've seen so many people that trade the same way I do, and they've gone to trading like Asia, Power 3 bollocks, and stuff like that. Asia tapped into an Audi last night. I was going to set a limit and go sleep. Woke up fuming. Do we have any S&T? The problem is that all the moves happened either before New York or like after, like during Asia. Like, I could literally sit on this 1 hour and we'd probably do jack shit. But it is good that we've got this. We've got this 1 hour gap now. See, price is just retracing. Oh man, this is so long. What's up, order block? It's just long though, isn't it? Like, what? There's not a lot I can do if price just wants to keep going lower. Like, even here, there was a trade on. There was something I was watching silver this morning, like this. But like, I still just didn't want to take it. Knowing my luck, I'd get in a trade and it would just fucking pop off. And then obviously oil. Yeah, and we've got a monthly gap further down as well. No S&T in here. Yeah, I've got this at the moment. They look more like relative equal highs though. So it's this 4 hour. Everything's retracing into these huge gaps at the moment. Did you catch the long or short yesterday? I didn't. What was the day yesterday? Thursday? No, Wednesday. I didn't take anything yesterday. I took a CL long actually, and I got chopped around in here. I took that, but it was quite late in the session. Nice. Wait, what day is it? It's Thursday. Swear to God, though, don't you think that like bare people have been like trading to like other like moving to like Power 3 and all this bollocks? Like I see so many people now jumping ship. But like, you just need to be careful today. Like I just wish there was SMT on the daily. I just wish. I agree. I agree. But we've also got this as well. Oh man. Today could give fuck all and close this bitch. Yeah, for real. It's just like, it's even the similar. Like I would rather be short. Just do this. It's just like, there's nothing that's screaming to me anymore. Unless YM was just a retracement. Yeah, exactly, James. I agree. No, that's the thing. Like at some point we're gonna have to have a retracement. At some point we're due some kind of retracement. But equally, you know, what the fuck do I know? What the fuck, like the markets have been fucking bizarre. I'm currently. So like I'm gonna wait and see what we get at open. I wouldn't be surprised if we get this. Either we get a move down into the equilibrium of the range and then go higher. I would rather that than higher. But like I said, what the fuck do I know? I'm not gonna. I won't sit here for long today. If price don't do what I want it to do, I'll just get off. Like, I've got fucking shit I need to be getting on with. The last thing I need to do is for me fucking watching these gay ass markets. We have had a retracement on oil and RV. HO's created a lower low, while CL created a lower high. What's up, Gabriel? Gabriel, just giving you a thing today. Judging by how much we've expanded in Asia, if we just consolidate, just close the charts, that's exactly what I'll be doing. I can't be asked to waste any more time with this. Gabriel, are you still checking in on that TTFM shit? Or you not been looking at it as much? EO, I don't think it really matters because they won't get a trade today. I'll be very shocked if we expand today. No, you haven't. See, what would be interesting if this is best case scenario, okay? If we close right at 10 a.m. back inside of this range, okay, then I will what's it called? Trade PM. It's not even in the SMT. There's literally fuck all SMT. Right, let's go. Market open time. Let's see what we do. You're in NQ sales once market opens and manipulates. I thought you were in NQ. Why? YM looks like it's doing the manipulating. Right. I mean, at least we got some SMT. I feel sorry for you, L. What's up, Jabler? I mean, Dow looks the weakest. But I'm viewing this as maybe this could be the manipulation. I can't. I don't want longs on silver. I don't want longs on metal. Oh, I do like this though. I cannot lie. I don't mind that. That's probably the only thing I'm not minding here. SMT like this. That's possibly the only thing. That's a bollocks of a reversal candle. Yeah. Kieran, or however you say your name, you said this message twice, no one's buying. Like, I would not be surprised if we just chopped. How much did we even move in Asia? 430 points. Holy fuck. In Asia. How are you not out of that trade? L. Right, so looking like the Dow is wanting to distribute lower, as it's the weaker asset right now. So I want to see how price starts moving. I'm just gonna take this with some caution. I don't mind this. There's second stage here as well. I do not mind this at all. I believe they close early. I need to check. I can't see it on my Forex Factory. No, this isn't NQ. But you can see what I mean here. Like, look at how YM is doing the manipulating. No. I'm alternating between NQ and gold. You're good. This is gold. Gold is looking the best to me right now. If I can get some kind of reversal, I'll take it. Oh, here we go. Bruh, I'm not even gonna lie. And we got a 4-hour gap there. I can just see us closing back in the range. I'm so done with these markets. I'm just watching to see if we get any kind of inverse here or order block. kind of like, I don't mind this. Inverse survey gap on NQ. But I'd rather wait for the 5. I'm really not a fan of this. I'm not gonna lie. No clear displacement. I just haven't got a good relationship with fucking CL. It's fucking dead. Bang, bang, bang. 15-minute OB. I don't want to see indices just rip to the lows. Holy fuck, man. Imagine if you managed to get in this 3-minute. There is no way this is just gonna fucking run. Bang, bang, bang. I'm really not a fan of this. Alright, so what do we have here now? We've got a breaker block. Fuck, man. Why is this shit moving so fast? Do have a breaker block. Feel free to take this breaker block. It doesn't make much sense to me. I think I'd prefer this in terms of risk to reward. I'd go like this. My main concern is that how far down in the range we are. Like, I'm just very conflicted about this. I'm gonna sit out of this. I don't want to take this. I just don't trust, 4 hour gap so far down into the range. Like, regardless of what price does, I've traded much better days than this. No, I'm not in this. Like, in ideal scenario, right, is even though I like shorts more, it doesn't make the most sense to me because we're so far down the range. But it could equally work out. So if you want to take this, go for it. And the thing is, oil's really bullish. So in turn, we should be. Yeah, oil's fucking bullish as fuck. So if you want to trade NQ shorts, go for it. Is anyone in this? Nice. We've got the S&T at highs. This is the model. This is an A+. I just don't trust the structure because how low down we are. You could, if you wanted to, you could take this on ES now, off a on an eval or something like that. Good rejection on Dow though. Nah, dead ass. I don't trust them either. I actually don't trust them either. I'm gonna take ES on an eval. So it looks like this at the moment. I'm not gonna send this Don because I don't trust this and I wouldn't want you to risk on this. It's got a flat body high right at the top as well. So now we've got a break block aligned. I'd still prefer ES. I still prefer lower, but equally I can see structure just flipping. So if you're in this, good luck. I just don't trust how far down we are in the range. That's my problem with today. Like, if I put it this way, it's a high possibility I'll be sitting on my hands today. So right now, it's showing a couple of signs of what's it called? Look at this. I'm not mute. CPU's just messing up. My boy uses a 3 minute time frame. He's been bummed. Yeah, I bet. So what my plan is now, I'm gonna wait for 10 a.m. and I'll try and trade an expansion on gold. We're ranging right now, guys. We are literally stuck in a range. Like, honestly. Like, look at that. Fucking, it's actually crazy, these markets. But do you all understand why I wasn't so confident in that? Holy fuck, man, I like this so badly. What's up, Western? This looks cold on gold. Horror show. I swear to God, I've literally taken one trade on my fundeds this week, and that was a break even. Like, I've literally done nothing. It's so dead. But yeah, my logic is though today, shorts are the bias. I think we've expanded too far. We expanded like over 400 points in Asia. That's gonna be very difficult to trade. Same with gold as well. But I really preferred gold shorts. But by the looks of it, we look like we're just gonna flip. Judging by this 1 hour candle closure. It depends if I can get in them. I'd prefer shorts on all, apart from oil. That's what would makes most sense. But like, it's pretty obvious that Price wanted these highs. Good luck. So we haven't even got any SMT at the lows. Unplayable playing field. But I'm working on a new model. Because sometimes in these conditions, I just need to adapt. I can't be so rigid with what I want. I say working on a new model. I'm learning something new. But it takes a long time to figure it out. It's still ICT concepts. Like, it's just fucking. This is so shit. I just like. Is there RTY SMT? Holy fuck. RTY swept no SMT. RTY's got no SMT. What's up, Icy? How you doing today? I'm just trying to navigate through this shit. So we've got London Highs up there. So I assume we're going for that. Oh, tell me about it. I watched a short in London. Left to go to the gym. Gave my entry. Obviously, I wasn't there. And then Asia, I was sleeping. Like being dead ass, if it gets really late and Price hasn't taken London High. If Price doesn't take this, right, or it doesn't take this, I'm just gonna walk away. There we go. Is this finally gonna be that retracement? Fuck, man. Russell is on smoke. I couldn't have even taken that though, due to the lack of S&T. Before I did flip, yeah. This is so dead. I don't know how people are making money in these markets. I can't lie. Like gold's the only thing. Well, this is fun. Is this just gonna be another day of fucking doing nothing? This is actually dead. I don't know how fucking. I'm done training for the month. Um, do you mind this? I do not mind this. Mm. That's what I'm watching at the moment. London's there. So you already got a 5 minute. It'll probably just go to London now. Like that. Bruv, why is... I mean, trade back up into this. It's just we've taken out all this liquidity here. I can't believe there is... But the problem is that I can't take this because I've got no SMT. Yeah, on gold, that's what I was looking at. This is the gold. Trade it back up to midnight. 2R. Four-hour. Get rid of that. So you had the second stage at lows done. What's the importance of midnight? I use it as premium discount. So obviously, if it goes above midnight, when I first started trading, I used to do it. I'd only long in the or below midnight, and then I'd only short above midnight. I just can't do anything here. There is legit. There is nothing I can do. NQ's taken my London highs. Gunny. Stream is broken, bro. It's the CPU. I think we take a stab at this. If we get a retracement, Don, you can take a stab at the 15-minute breaker. No, it's just being temperamental. I would take a stab at this. And just leave it do its thing. Back up to... Holy fuck, what was that? Hold on, I need to be careful now, because if he's being a bit iffy today... I'll take a stab at this. Done. I need to work out the risk quickly though. Fuck it. Right, if I can get in that, I'll take it. If I can get in this, I will take a stab at it. But like I said, I don't think it's tagged this gap, is it? Hold on. It hasn't tagged this thing yet, Don. So this is a 4-hour SMT as well. Yeah, exactly. I'm gonna get ready to send it. How would I enter? Seriously, guys. How is it possible to enter if it hasn't touched my entry? What the fuck? Whole chat's just rage bait. Swear down. Don, lower your risk today if it comes back. So what else could I take? Peter, you've got some balls, mate, if you want a short. Yeah, I'm similar. I was gonna go 2, but I just can't be asked with this PA. Done. Yeah, for me it was 2 micros was like 700, which is ideal, but I just don't trust these conditions anymore. That's my problem. Yeah, nice man. Thanks. Yeah, cheers, Jeff. What the? Holy shit. So I've been waiting for this gold 15-minute breaker block. Um, my logic is we have this SMT down here with silver creating the lower low while gold create the lower high, showing me that gold is the stronger one. I'm looking for us to move back into the range ideally back it up to Asia. So yeah, there was a 5 minute tag, but I demanded a bit more of an extra confirmation. But yeah, so the 5 minute would have been here, and it gave it to the kiss, and now it's going. So yeah, as you can see, it didn't tag. Kind of peak. Kind of peak. I can't believe there is no SMT here either on any of the assets. That's crazy. No, not one single smidge of SMT. You had this 1 hour breaker block here, but again, no daily SMT. I can't. So Don, if this does run to TP, obviously off this M5, and just journal this as a missed, of course. But the M15 doesn't look bad, but like, it was this second stage SMT that done it for me. Like when we done this here, this refined that should be a protected low. What's up, here? That was my plan, but I don't have a. I missed a 5 minute entry, which is here. I'm confident it'll come back, but then ideally, right, if price takes this high here, right, so if price takes this, right, then I'm obviously not going to take. So let's see. Imagine, Don, do you know when I sent the Discord alert, the signal? Imagine if you actually took it, and I didn't even say a number. I just said take gold. You'd be in this. You know what's so crazy is though is like price is just this recently. Don and Gabriel, I'm sure you realise it as well. Like Gabriel, when you joined the server, you were like demolishing it, and now the market's just haven't produced at all. That's why I've been checking London a lot more, and obviously I've increased my assets like to 6E to CL because NQ is just not kind of anymore because it's not doing what I wanted to do. This shit's going, Don. I'm also paying attention once the other assets take the same correlated high. So silver's very close to it, along with XAU, GBP. I don't trust these though. But there is the SMT there. What did NQ do? So NQ's now retraced into that 4-hour gap. We've had a 6 a.m. reversal, so we have a 10 a.m. continuation. This was pretty nice. So it's like that. This is shit. Don, if it comes back here, I mean, I know, even though I said that, you know, if price comes up here, I wouldn't be too interested. Mm. One hour fair value gap. Like, I just think, Don, if it's gonna do that, then it's not really the best. But I still got a 4-hour gap tag on silver. Six a.m. continuation. 9 a.m. I'm not gonna lie, this isn't. Oh, this fucker. What's that money in? Fuck. Right, so, I mean, it's a bit difficult to do here. We've now tagged into this gap. Fucking load of shit. Everything's just moving back into the range now. I can't believe I didn't take that order block. That breaker block. Yeah, Milan, this is the only thing I could have taken. But it didn't give me an entry on 15. This is the shit. This has been the only thing that I've actually, like after the Asia range, this has been the only thing where I wasn't too annoyed about this. Like if that gave the 15-minute tag, I'd be game. It was only the 5 I didn't like. I didn't like. I missed it. So that's a me error. Mm. We've got SMT actually in the 4 hour gap tag with YM. We're probably good. Do you know what we're gonna do? As soon as you've done open, high, low, close, we're probably just gonna do this, and then it's gonna come back and close in the range. Right. I mean, I'm not staying on TikTok live. I'm going over to YouTube now. I'll stay on there because TikTok is just, it's just like there's only 9 people in here. But yeah, other than that, guys, thank you very much for joining and take care. Bye bye. Bye bye. Legit, there's literally no point in me sitting on the TikTok. Look at Euro. Euro's just going up. Euro going? It's gonna be bullish, no? Well, this is enjoyable. Is anyone actually trading this shit? I can't believe that. So this literally left me, but this actually overlapped with what I've been testing. This has actually been overlapping with what I've been testing now. Ba, ba, ba. I can't believe I literally. I can't believe I didn't take this shit. So now we just get to have the honor of watching this. So okay, so Silver is and XAU are about to take that high, so I'm cancelling now. Yeah, Don, I'm not taking that. I can't. It's physically impossible now. But you know what, Don? Journal that because the 5 minute was valid. The 5 minute breaker as well was very valid. On the bright side, I got an OBS recording to finally post on TikTok. It's about the only fucking positive of today. Today it's been crazy. So what I'm assuming now is we're just gonna be going for higher. So this, you see this as well, Don? This was our breaker. This became our breaker. But the problem I have is that you'll be longing into 4 hour gap. But also the problem I have, right, is there is no SMT. So if there's SMT, then I could take this as a swing. But there's none. All the lows are correlated. The only thing I could have taken today would have gold, or if NQ ran out this low here at 810. That's literally the only thing I could have taken. Dead, dead, dead. I mean, oil. Fuck, man, oil's coming lower. You see, the problem is, it's because we expanded so far before open. So now it just sort of leaves us in this predicament. I wouldn't mind this. I'll set an alert. Is everyone having fun? To be honest, I might as well just end the stream. If I take anything, I'll alert it in the private Discord. I doubt I will. Even if price does trickle back down into here. Other than that, guys, take care and thank you very much for joining. I'm last live of this week for YouTube. Take care, everyone. Hopefully, you get some better PA later on.